Up next, we've got a BBCE Bowman 92 unopened box. So, see, seal's good all the way around. Let's see, get our proper list up here. So 36 packs. We'll treat these in columns. So we'll go back left column, top pack is pack number 1. We'll go all the way down. So then we'll go column back right, column front left, column front right. So we'll go that way. So our front right all the way at the bottom will be the pack 36. Okay. Well, let's see what I do with my box cutter. There it is. All right, so we'll get our random going here. Then we'll bust into this baby. Here, let me copy it. We'll get a new list randomizer. Again, we'll randomize this 3 times. The order we end up in is the order of the pack you get. So every spot gets a pack. So first random, second, and third. All right, so copy that. That's not pretty, is it? Let's undo that. Let me paste it as plain text. There we go. That's better. All right, so I'll scroll down as we go here, but as you can see, here are our first few. So John will have our pack number 1, Robert, Michael. We'll just do these in 9s. So we got John, Robert, Michael, Tori, Brandon, John, Dustin, Tony, and Bobby. All right, good luck, folks. Okay. So again, it's that back left column. That will be first. So this will be first column, second, third, and last. Whoop. Bumped that one and I left one there in the bottom. Okay. There we go. So those go there. Splendid. All right, here we go. So good luck, everybody. Hope we hit some nice Marianos. All right. So here's first pack. This is John Dobe's pack. Okay. Flip those. Joe Randa. Chipper. Daryl Strawberry. checklist, move on. Right. So chipper's not a bad one to hit. All right, get us a little showcase going back there. All right, pack number 2 is Robert Eland. Okay. All right, so we got Charles, Wally Joyner, McGuire. Nothing terribly exciting in pack number 2. Sorry, Robert. Pack number 3 is Michael Ott. The thing about these 92 packs is they just fall apart in your hands when you're. Okay. Solomon Torres for the gold there. Another dud. All right. Pack number 4, Ettore. Oh, nice. Got the Bonds gold. Was the stuff back in the day. Kevin Tartar. Sandberg. Fun little hit on the gold. Right, pack number 5. This is Brandon's. Right, got Michael Tucker there. Baines, Raul, Jim Abbott. Right, pack number 6. This is John Dobase. John's second pack. All right, oh, got a little sideways there. Got Derek Bell, Albert Bell, Dawson, Maddox. Right, we're 6 packs in. Still no Big Mo. Gotta be. All right, pack number 7. This is Dustin Norton. Howard House. Ken Griffey Jr. Right. And then next up, pack number 8 is Tony Libby. McConnell. Not much going on there. Pack number 9. Bobby Hilo. Abbott there. Boggs, McGriff. Got a couple stuck together there. Right, so we are a fourth of the way through the box. Still no Mo. Okay, so we'll do this next. Do this stack next. Got flipped over there. Right, so our next 9 folks up. We got Dustin, Paul, Brandon, Mark, Clay, Brandon, John, Brandon. Okay, so spot 10, pack 10, it's Dustin. Okay, so we got Will Clark there. Move on. Right. Pack number 11, this is Paul. Okay. Greg Jeffries on top. Matt Stairs. Right, spot 11 down. 12 for Brandon Verzel. So Brandon's was the winner of the free spot in this break from the Labor Day giveaway. So it was one of the prizes in it. So we'll see what you hit for your free spot, Brandon. Okay. Got Bobby Bonilla. Ron Darling, Dale Murphy, Roger, Mark Grace. Right. Then pack 13, we've got Marco. Okay. Tony Gwynn, Biggio, Javi. Pack 14, Clay Bailey. Well, there we go. Okay. Ron Gant, Chris Roberts, no big card yet. Okay, 15, this is Brandon again. Right. Paul O'Neill. Right, spot 16, John Dobey. Right. We lost our focus, didn't we? All right. Ozzie Guillen, Greg Olson, through, still no Mo. Approaching the halfway mark. This is pack 17. This is next two are Brandon. Got Quesco. Barry Larkin. Right. Then last pack in the column. Pack number 18. Oops. There we go. John Kruk. Got stuck there. Right. We are halfway through. No big Mo yet. Okay, so we'll do front left column next. Right, so then our next 9. So we've got David, Brandon, Paul, Brandon, Franz, and then wrap this column up with 2 from Clay. Okay, so David Fazio, pack number 19. Okay, Ken Caminetti. Right, pack number 20. Got Brandon. Well, this one didn't tear at all. There we go. Right. Jim Tomei. Larry Walker. Frank Thomas. Rafael Palmero. Right. So get the Tomei rookie here. not a big one, but hey, we'll take what hits we can get right now. All right. Pack 21, Paul Patron. Okay. Jack McDowell. Right, so then 22. This is Brandon again. Brandon nabbed the Tommy in the last pack, so let's see what you got this time. Right. Chuck Knobloch. Jeff Bagwell. Carlton Fisk and Mariano Rivera. Very nice hit for you, Brandon. Let's check it out. Just a little bit of corner wear, bottom right. Okay. There's Mo. Very cool. All right, so we got one. Let's see what else we can get. Pack 23, this is Paul. Okay. Pedro. So there's this one. Ramon. Edgar. So you had three Martinez's in a row. Pedro, Ramon, and Edgar. That's funny. Got Billy Ripken, Phil Nevin. Pedro's nice and clean. All right. Let me put the rest of the pack away. $24. Brandon again. All right, so 3 packs. 3 out of the last 4 packs had Hall of Fame rookie in them. Let's see what else we can do here. Little Walt Weiss, Sid Bream, Kiki Hernandez. And that is a shirt. Gets me every time. Okay. Okay, pack 25. This is Franz. George Brett. Julio Franco. Randy Johnson. Okay, pack 26 and 27 are Clay's. Right. David Justice. Michael Tucker. Alex Ochoa. Right, and then the third of the way mark here. Kirby. Got out of focus again. There we go. There's Kirby. Oral. Roberto Kelly. Matt Williams gold. Ricky Henderson. Okay. Right. So time for our last column. Okay, see, box is empty there. Okay, pack 28. Justin Wilkinson. So we go Justin, then Dustin, then Atori, John, Paul, James Hop, Paul again, and wrap it up with Dustin. Right, so this is 28. So our third column was for sure the best of the first three. So let's see where column 4 falls. Steve Avery, Ryan Klesko, checklist number 1. 29. This is Dustin's. Right. Okay. Got Pudge. Cliff Floyd dunking a baseball. Always enjoyed that card. Grab a few more sleeves here. Right. Pack 30. And this is Atori. Okay. Robin Ventura. Tom's got a nice shirt too. Todd Van Poppel. Okay. Pack 31. John Dobay. Paul Molitor. Oops, out of focus again, huh? Right, John, that wasn't our best pack so far. We'll try again here on pack 32. Maybe. There we go. Got McGuire gold there. Right, 33. This is Paul. 4 packs to go on the home stretch. Paul Molitor. Younts. Right. Next up, 34, James Hupp. McDowell, Bernie Williams. Right. And 35, Paul Patron. Got Tino. Cal Ripken. All right. Down to the last pack. Let's see what you hit, Dustin. Got any goodies hidden here at the bottom of the box? Doug Drabeck. Mattingly. Robin Ventura Gold. All right. That does it for our 92 Bowman break. Do a quick little summary here. So we had Mo coming in pack 22, Tomei in pack 20, Pedro in 23, Chipper in 1. So there you have it. That does it for our broadcast for tonight. Remember, we got a couple other things up for sale. 67 top set break. Got a 7980 OPG hockey pack. Got 8 spots left in it. And then we'll put up a couple other pack breaks probably tomorrow or Wednesday. But thanks for tuning in. Thanks for buying in. And go enjoy the rest of Monday Night Football. This is Burl signing